Lots of books are being published every day, but most of them disappear into thin air months after they are being published, and maybe one or two sales made. And this is not because the books do not have value, but just because the books most times lack positioning. And the challenge here is that when an author publishes a book on Amazon, for example, the thing is they think of their book as just a single file that has been put on a particular platform. And if you position your book as just a single file, just look at it as, oh, the book is now published and then we are good. The problem with that is that your book eventually gets consumed by readers that you probably will never know. And after they've read it or maybe bought by a family or friend, it's forgotten. And you cannot measure the impact that that book has made. You cannot get recognition, and opportunities are not going to be tied to that book because it has been read, because it's just on Amazon. You see, the thing here is that eventually you just publish your book, you share your knowledge, but you cannot know what exactly comes after that. And one of the major strategies that I share with my clients and the people I work with many times, especially if I'm going to be working with you from the onset of your book, is that if you are going to put your book on just Amazon, one of the things, key core secret that you want to make sure that you always do is that create another offer that makes sure that the moment you sell, even if it's the Kindle book for $2.99, there is something in that book that connects that reader to another platform that they buy more from you. It could be a consulting offer, it can be a course or anything that moves that author, that moves that reader from that particular book to something higher than the book that they have just read, right? So you can just put that like a single link somewhere towards the front pages of the book, put a single link that links them to something else, or you become more intentional about following the few steps that I'm going to be listing, because this is the right way to go if you are someone who wants to maximize the potential and the value of your book. This is the right way to position your book as an authority building asset, because authority does not come from publishing a book. It comes from how the book is positioned and used. Remember, I always say that publishing a book does not make you an authority. You publish a book because you're an authority. That's, you write an author a book because you're an authority. It is not the book that makes you the authority, right? So there's a difference between those two. So if you want to position your book as an asset that returns multiple layers of authority to you, these 3 steps are going to help you. Number 1, from the onset, while you're thinking about your idea, make sure that your book solves a clear problem. Make sure that your book is clear about the problem that you solve. Your book should answer a specific need. Your book should answer a specific problem. Your book should answer a specific question. Help people solve a specific problem. That is the thing. Don't just pile up your book with a lot of information, just share information, but you are not providing a direction towards where the reader has to go from where they are to where you want them to be. So your book should be very specific as to what exactly it is. When people pick up your book, they are picking up the book because of a specific need. Most books that do well, especially self-help books or personal development books, are books that answer specific questions, right? Specific questions, right? So number 2, structure your book for application. Structure your book so that it can be used in people's lives. Structure your book in a way that the value is understood and applied. Structure your book in a way that when somebody reads the book, they see an action point. They see a way to apply what you have taught in the book. They see a way to transfer the ideas in the book into application for their own lives. People don't value what they can't use. Your ideas should be actionable and transferable. When I read the content of your book, I should be able to build up steps that I can take for myself. That is what application of value from a book should do. And number 3, extend that book beyond the book itself. I will not be able to overemphasize this, but think of your book as leverage. The book should be able to be extended beyond the book itself. So as you are writing a book and publishing a book and you want it to position as an authority asset, you have to be able to turn the content of your book into frameworks, into learning experiences, into guided systems. People who create workbooks, people who create workshops, people who create coaching experiences, people who create webinars from their book, it is not just because they have extra time. It's because they are trying to create a system, an ecosystem that is around that same book. Because the point of having a book is so that it can help you build multiple layers of leverage. A book is not just a book in itself. A book is an asset building material that can help you create multiple layers of leverage. So your book should feel like the entry point into something bigger. Your book should become that thing that opens multiple doors for you. Why? Because your authority is not built by just writing or authoring a book. It is built by how your knowledge is being experienced by other people. So what experience are you building? What experience are you creating for the people who buy your book? What experience are you hoping to build later for the people who get the first entry point to you, which is usually your book? What experience are you thinking of building after the book? So if you are someone who has an idea or a knowledge that you know it is worth sharing, the next best step for you is not just to go ahead and publish the book. The next best step will be for you to develop a solid strategy that helps you build a solid business from that idea, so that by the time the book is published, you have multiple layers of revenue building products that book can eventually overflow into. This is the way to go. This is the path to take. And this is the mindset that you have to adopt if you want to leverage your authority and want to leverage your knowledge in this coming season. So shoot me a DM and let's take it from there.